You've been throwing away the secret to multiplying your plants all along. These 8 natural rooting hormones can turn a single cutting into a whole garden, faster and healthier than ever before. But there's a right way to do it and a wrong way. Stick around to discover the most powerful formulas, including a secret mix you won't believe. Cloning plants sounds fancy, but it's just the art of making new plants from cuttings. It's perfect for rare or precious plants you don't want to lose, or when you want to gift plants to friends. But here's the catch. Not all cuttings root easily. To boost your success, you need natural rooting hormones. And today, I'll show you the top 8, including a few you've never thought of. Have you ever cut a stem, planted it, and hoped for roots, only to find it wilted and lifeless days later? The problem? Root rot and weak root development. But don't worry, nature has already provided the solution. These natural substances help plants grow roots faster and stronger while protecting them from diseases. Let's break down the top 8 powerful homemade rooting hormones, starting with one you've probably never considered. Yes, your own saliva. Sounds weird, right? But saliva contains enzymes and antibacterial properties that can prevent infections while kickstarting root growth. Just dip the cutting in your saliva before planting. Simple, yet surprisingly effective. Cinnamon isn't just for baking. It's a powerful antifungal agent. Sprinkle cinnamon on the cut end of your plant cutting to prevent infections while boosting root formation. Plus, it smells great while you're gardening. Now let's get a bit scientific. Willow bark is a natural source of salicylic acid and indole-butyric acid, 2 compounds that supercharge root growth. To make willow tea, soak fresh willow branches in warm water overnight. Use that water to soak your cuttings before planting. Aloe vera isn't just for burns. It's packed with beneficial enzymes and salicylic acid that encourage root formation. Cut open a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and coat your plant cutting with it before planting. Aspirin works wonders in the garden too. It contains salicylic acid, which plants produce naturally to combat stress. Crush 1 aspirin tablet in a cup of water, let it dissolve, and dip your cutting in it. You'll see stronger root growth faster. Coconut water is a hidden gem. It's rich in growth hormones and essential nutrients that support root formation. Just dip your cuttings into coconut water before planting. Easy, natural, and super effective. Want to supercharge your success rate? Try mixing some of these together. For example, honey with cinnamon, or aloe vera gel with aspirin water. Test different combos to see which works best for your plants. So there you have it, 8 powerful homemade rooting hormones you can make right at home. From cinnamon to coconut water, these natural solutions can help you clone plants faster and healthier. Give them a try and watch your garden thrive. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!